Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you on how to put tiling shape texture on a cabinet. So let's say you have one cabinet here, okay, and then you want to put such texture to your cabinet, okay, but we cannot use tiling custom. So in order to do that, okay, let's say I have one cabinet here. So in order to do the tiling effect, okay, we can arrange super panel. Just search on super. Okay, take out one super panel. Okay, you can take out one super panel. Okay, so here I'm just going to arrange the super panel to make it such similar to this case. Okay, so this one you can adjust the width sizing. So let's say here width on the right side I'm going to set for 300. Okay, and then depth on the front I'm just going to set for 100. Okay, so there you can see this is the so what we call the tiling effect letter. Okay, let's say you want to make it thinner a bit. Okay, our current thickness is 20. Okay, but if you want to lower the thickness, so then you can adjust on the height. Okay, so then we want to copy the arrangement to make it similar to this one. Okay, you can copy and paste first. So how to copy and paste? Just Ctrl C, Ctrl V onto the right or left side. Okay, so just to make sure the position, okay, you can just click on the product placement measurement and then you can see the position where it's going to be copied. So let's say on the left side, just copy Ctrl C, Ctrl V onto your left side. For how many? The distance I will set for 0 because I don't want to have any gap, and the quantity is up to you lah. So let's say I set it for maybe 4. Okay, and then you can click on confirm. Okay, and then to have the random effect of our tiling, okay, you can just copy this one first. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay, we're going to copy on downward for 1 only. Sorry, I wrongly positioned. Should be on the front. So copy Ctrl C, Ctrl V on the front with 1 quantity. Okay. So to have the randomized position of our tiling effect, you can click on it and then you move it. Okay, so that you can see the arrangement is random. It will be randomized lah. So after you have dragged the tiling, so-called tiling, then only you can copy and paste again. Copy and paste on the left side for how many quantity you want, and then you click on confirm. Okay, so then you can repeat the method. Okay, just repeat on the method. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, downward, confirm. Oops, sorry, front. On the front side, confirm. Okay. So meaning that this one you need to like adjust the arrangement first. Then only you can copy and paste. Okay. So let's say after you have randomized the position, the arrangement and stuff. Okay. So maybe this one I adjust it to here. So it goes to this one. Okay, you can try to adjust it again lah. After maybe you have finished arranging. Okay, so this one, let me adjust this one first on the left side. I'm going to minus 80 maybe. Some more. Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't have any precise measurement. Okay. If you have the measurement precisely, it will be much more easier lah. Okay, in my case, I don't have the precise measurement. So minus 30. Okay, so let's say you have arranged the tiling. Okay, you can make it much more as you want. Okay, you can make one more layer or maybe 5 layers to it. So after all, you can highlight every panel. Okay, highlight it and then you group it. Okay, so then you can have the panel, the so-called tiling. So you can change the texture in one click after you have grouped it. Change texture. Okay, let's say you want to make it as for stone, marble, is what you wish. Okay, so then if you want to put onto your cabinet, you can simply click on your group panel just now, press Z, and then you move it. Okay, to rotate your tiling that you have made by using cabinet function, you can press X to your keyboard and then you rotate. Okay, and then to move back on top, you can press Z and then you move. Okay, so that is how you create. Okay, let me show you. You don't need to use the tiling function. You can use the cabinet customize function to make it as if this is a tiling. Okay, even though it is in a group panel, group shape, you can still resize it by click on it and then you press C. Okay, and then you can try to resize. Okay, but then if you want to copy your panel, okay, after you group it, you can just simply click on it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V on top. Okay, you can test out. Sorry. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, another 3 panel, let's say, enter. Okay, so then you can try to reposition and stuff. Okay, but after all, this is how you create tiling. Okay, you can create tiling by using the customize cabinet function. Okay, so then you can adjust. Okay, so then you have the randomized tiling custom by using cabinet customize function. Right, so that's all from me. Thank you.